Good morning. Yeah, my classroom.
So, break time ko ngayon. Nandun ang mga bata sa cafeteria ng
We might stop here and get it before we leave.
Yeah, hopefully. So, everything will be done before we leave here. Good morning. It's Monday today. Say hi, Rachel. Kumakain si Rachel. And can you say hi, Daddy? Hi. Ayan. Hello, guys. So, today's Monday. And we have our things packed. Ayan. Kasi guys, pupunta ulit kami ng San Jose. Ayun na si Habi. Sinigurado na lang namin guys na magdala kami ng mga damit and kung kailangan namin magstay sa doon sa biyanan ko, we're gonna stay for a night. Good morning everyone. Today is Monday and yes, we are heading to San Jose. Say good morning, Rachel. Hi. And ayan si Daddy. Yeah,
Umaga.
magandang umaga rin. Ayan. So, oops. Yeah, babalik pa kasi kami guys kasi hindi pa natapos yung kailangan naming tapusin. Grabe guys, kulang talaga ako ng tulog. Parang 4 hours lang yung tulog ko kagabi kasi nakatulog ako around 12:30 na. This time, nag-impake na talaga kami guys. We made sure na meron kaming dalang extra na damit para, iwas stress. Ganon. And yeah, kahapon guys, we had a very beautiful day. Na kahapon ko lang na-discover na ang dami pala talagang magaganda dito sa sa Limon. And yeah, it felt so refreshing to see all those trees, beautiful trees, good no? So anyway, Lord's will, we'll get there at the decent time.
Well, this is where the bus turns like this.
Oh, like this. Okay. I was wondering. One A.
Look for it. 2A.
Yeah, 2A. Nandun na ang asawa ko, kinuha niya na yung para sa papeles. So tapos na kami guys. Ayan, maghihintay na lang kami ng notification which is through email. Because it takes, how long does it take lang? 15 days. Yeah. You have to wait for 15 days for the notification.
That told me a month, but he told me now 15 days.
Yeah.
So we'll still be in the month.
I don't think so.
So we might stop here and get it before we leave.
Yeah, hopefully. So, everything will be done
So what I can do is
before we leave here. So, naghahanap na lang kami guys ng pwede naming makakainan and then we'll stop by at my mother-in-law's house. Right, Daddy? So, we can say hi. And then, after that, we're gonna go straight home. para makapagpahinga kami. At this point, I just wanna stay home and study with Rachel, Daddy. He knows how to go with the flow.
He's my father's one. Oh, gotta get off here.
So, pabalik na kami, guys. Yan. Okay. Concentrate si Habi sa GPS kay it's letting him make different kinds of turns. Right, Daddy?
Yeah. Did it. I got this music on. I really rather hear the GPS tell me what to do, but I can't figure out how to put the audio on so I can tell me. But I don't know ahead of time.
Yeah.
The co-pilot hasn't been trained yet.
Don't worry, she's here. She is here. She's watching you. Eh? Yeah.
Oh, we ever saw that before?
I know. I didn't see it before.
That's a stadium, huh?
Yeah, it's a big stadium. Real big. So we are still here in San Jose. Oh, what's that? What's up? This one here kind of reminds me of Miami. This street, just a little bit. Yung city nila dito, guys, malaki talaga. Yung downtown. And medyo crowded.
Had his little tunnel where he had his little kittens, and the snake was coming to try to get one of the kittens, and the cat was at the hitting me. Because you know them nails are hard.
Yeah.
And that snake he had to keep backing off because it was hurting. To the point where the snake had to leave me. I said, man, I get too much headache. I can't take this no more.
There you go. Wala, ang fogs. O, ipakita ko sa inyo ang fogs, guys.
I know. Lucky thing, we did not decide to go and eat.
We didn't pass by the restaurant, did we? I know it's after the tunnel.
After the hill.
Okay.
It's definitely after the hill.
So I don't want to miss that restaurant. Nag-mudslide.
I should have got the name of that. We should have got the name of that place.
It should be in one of my videos. Char, you want me to go? Check.
You got it on your subject matter of your library?
Yeah. No, it's on YouTube. I don't have a data right now. Wanna go home? There are very Oh, this is it. This one. Yeah. So, stop muna kami dito guys para kumain ng dinner. Yeah, this is L.U. Goris Restaurant.
Bye.
Yes, so paalis na kami guys. Katatapos lang namin kumain. Yan, dyan kami kumain. Oh. There. So, yeah, we are 1 hour and 42 minutes away from home. And ang oras natin ngayon ay 4:54, mag-aalas 5 na guys. So, yeah, magnanap lang ako ng konti kasi medyo pagod talaga ako. Hello guys, so pauwi na kami guys. Nag-stop by lang kami sa restaurant saglit para kumain. Yan, so we are 1 hour and 31 minutes away from home. And yeah, it feels good. It feels like we're coming home. Charot. There's no place like home. So we just want to enjoy our place right now. And yeah, we're really enjoying Limon Mangud. It's more peaceful pa.